each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. It's been a while, I haven't been on YouTube. Take some time, got some very important stuff to take care of. So today I'm back. I'm ready to give you guys a great video today. It's a cheesecake recipe I want to share with each and everyone. It's an Oreo cheesecake, really simple. So I'm just gonna jump right in and get this started. Please watch, like, and share this video because I'm ready to get back on track and give you guys some great recipe, okay? So right here I got 24 Oreo cookies. We're gonna use this for the bottom, all right? So I just throw that right in my mixer right here. And I got 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm just gonna get this started right here. You can also use a food processor for this. I'm just using a small mixer right here to get this going, all right? Okay, so let's get this going. All right, perfect. So right now, I'm just gonna mix in the butter inside of this and we're good to go. Take this out, got a bowl here for that. Put that right back in there. Pour the butter in there. And actually got a small spatula. Just gonna mix that right in. So that's 24 Oreo cookies. I'll drop the recipe in the description. You guys can check that out. On my pan already greased. It's right here. And I'm just gonna press that to the bottom of this pan here. Get it nice and leveled and we're ready to go. Okay, so here we got the crust all set. Press to the bottom of this pan. And that's a spring foam pan I got there. So right here we got 3 of these 8-ounce cream cheese block right here. I'm just gonna throw these right inside my mixer. Alright, just dump these right in. Alright, get that out. And I'm just gonna get this going. Here we go. Right, then I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to this. Right, and I got 1 cup of white sugar. And I'm just gonna start on low speed. You're just gonna mix this until it gets nice and smooth. Then we're gonna start add the eggs one at a time. All right. So now I'm gonna start adding my eggs. This is 4 eggs plus 1 egg yolk. right here I got a quarter cup of heavy cream. Just gonna add that. And 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And that is done mixing. So I'm just going to use my spatula and give it a nice scrape from the sides. Okay, so this is done mixing. So I got 15 Oreo cookies here all broken up into pieces. I'm just going to pour that right in the mixture. And we're going to fold in with the spatula. And then just going to go right in the pan here. Look how lovely that looks. You just want to scrape every bit of that out. Right into your pan. Okay, beautiful. So I'm just going to give it a little tap so everything goes down. Then I got some boiling water going in the kettle. We're going to pour halfway of this pan and we're going to sit it right inside. And in the oven, I'll show you guys what it looks like as soon as my water is. Okay, so my hot water is ready. Just going to pour this in. This is very hot. My oven is at 400 right now. So we're just going to get this right inside. And at 400, we're going to bake for 15 minutes. Then we'll lower the temperature to 300. Beautiful. And I'm going to get it right in the oven. I'll catch you when it's... Okay, so right here, that's the 15 minutes. And we're going to lower the temperature to 300 right now. So we just hit bake. 300, start. And now we're going to set for 70. All right, 70 minutes and we should be done. So that was 70 minutes and this is what it looks like. It's looking beautiful. As long as you get it out, it's not jiggling on top, you know it's done. So I'm just going to let this cool down, then we'll get it in the fridge and we're going to have a slice. Okay guys, so the cake is out and I'm gonna cut it right now. It looks so delicious. It's beautiful Oreo cheesecake. Lovely. Get a nice slice out. What a beauty. Look at that. So lovely. Okay guys, I'm gonna dig in right now. So please like, share and subscribe and I'll catch you in a beautiful video.